Cute. Oh my god. So cute. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Oh my god, thank you. Oh, these are cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Do we do the same thing? Thank you. The first evening since I'm back in Singapore, and I can really feel, or rather like I've been observing myself, and I can tell that my appetite has definitely increased because of the sheer amount of food that I ate in Bangkok. Like one day I would eat like 4 or 5 meals, so now I'm just trying to cut it back down, and since this is the first evening, I will not let myself down and I will go for a run. So I've gotten changed and I'll be leaving soon. Just drinking some water to hydrate. We'll see how far I can run. I'm not going to push myself. I just want to like get things started, so I will continue running. Okay, I am all set. Time to go. I wanted to document myself trying this Listerine Cool Mint Pocket Mist, which I bought in Bangkok, and I thought that it would be just pretty helpful for my daily life when I eat a lot of garlic or onions and I have bad breath. I can use this on the go. Gotta open it up like that. Oh, there's something inside. Ah, okay. I guess this is the limited edition part of this box. It comes with the lanyard. Let me open it up. It comes with a lanyard and like an elephant motif on the lanyard. I mean, I think it's quite cute, but do they expect me to hang this cool mist on a lanyard and walk around while doing like my daily stuff? I don't know, man. Okay, anyways, it's supposedly sugar-free and something else. I think I can tear the tab off to read the English. Oh, never mind. I think I see kills something, probably bacteria, and then instant fresh breath or something like that. And this is actually for sale, like this. So they just repackaged this in this box together with the lanyard, and I'm not even sure whether it's more expensive or not. I'm supposed to just press this down, and the spray is supposed to come out from the hole, which is right here. I've brushed my teeth already, but I'm pretty sure this is okay, even though, you know, I am not going to brush anymore. Let's give it a go. Okay, I have to say it's very, very light. It weighs almost nothing. And I guess I'm just supposed to leave the tap here. This looks like the hole from the picture. The other side does not have a hole. This one does. So I'm going to spray it like that. Am I supposed to pull the tap open? Nothing's coming out. I think I need to pull this open. At first I thought I didn't because I'm just pressing this button. But I guess not. It's like no diff. I can see the cartridge here. I can see the liquid. Oh, okay, it's coming out now. Okay, one spray is definitely enough. Like the moment I sprayed it, I felt like my whole mouth was cleansed. And it's very, very minty, which I like. I mean, it's called a cool mint pocket mist. But yeah, one spray is enough. And I like that the spray doesn't like just squirt in like that. It kind of disperses as it reaches like the entrance of your mouth. So my entire mouth, or rather like my tongue also, feels quite coated with the mist. So I don't need to spray like multiple times unless I really ate something like super smelly or what. Post-workout treat. I'm trying out the Ipuro ramen, and this is the one in the original tonkotsu flavor, and it's so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, looking a bit crusty because I'm just at home and I didn't do like any makeup. But look at this. So good.